This is my week 10 intersecting pipe and ductwork key principles. So within the key principles here we can see how to get to true length. We can see how to get to true shape and true angle. We can see the front elevation, plan and end view, and how to get an auxiliary from these. It's also talked about the development of shape and how it's developed out to look like when the shape is folded out. So there are all the key principles involved in this question. Then the anticipated difficulties of this question would be visualization, because students may struggle on how to picture the shape in their head, what it will look like and what would look like developed out. Timing, some students may struggle because they mightn't get this done in time. If they encounter a difficulty, it might slow them up. Then you'd have understanding the key principles, so being able to complete each part, having the skill and knowledge of the key principles to finish the question. And then the developments may also be hard. Some students may struggle with this. They might need something more to understand it, might take them longer. Then resources to help teach the topic to the students. So a physical model, giving them a model that they can hold, move around and see for themselves what it looks like. Videos on YouTube are also very helpful. Sketching, so if you sketch out intersectional model of solids in different views, it might help, like the sketch I've included below. I've sketched a cone into a cuboid, just shows what it looks like. Then a SolidWorks model may also be handy because you can move it around, show different views and angles, see exactly what the two shapes look like and try and picture them before they're intersected and while they're intersecting with each other. Then teaching strategies. So to start the class, I'd explain the learning intentions. I'll show the students models of intersection of solids, just to help them visualise some solids intersecting with one another. Then I'd complete a random question on the topic on the visualiser for every student to see. I'd explain each step as I go through it. Then I'd give the students this exact question. I'd read through it, answer any questions, have a discussion about what's going to take place. Then I get the students to work on it by themselves as I move around, helping any students, navigating them to find the correct solution. Then at the end, I'd ask the students to assess each other's work in pairs. This would help the students, in case they haven't finished it, just help each other out. And I would finally go over the success criteria of the class.